Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by AndreaMichelle. Don't laugh. I know I look a little crazy right now. But today we're going to do like a really quick kind of comparison tutorial. I want to talk about eyeliner. I get a lot of questions on how I do my eyeliner. What's better, gel, pencil, or liquid? So I'm just going to talk about the two favorite ones. Well, actually my favorite one is only one. It's the liquid liner. But I want to try out the gel. Wow, my hair is looking real wild right now. Please don't mind it. I just got a haircut 2 days ago and I'm still like trying to figure out if I like it. But let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to talk about my preferred choice, which is the liquid eyeliner. It doesn't matter what kind of liquid liner you use. Obviously, other brands are better than, others. But I'm going to talk about my preferred one. My number one, like, all-time favorite is unfortunately one from Mexico. And it is this purple one. See if it, yes, focus. Okay. Delineador. And it's by Prosa Cosmetics. So you can actually get this on Amazon. It's just honestly, you're like literally paying double the amount that you could. Now, I'm not saying go fly to Mexico and get you some, but I mean, if you're in Mexico, then look out for it. However, there are two other favorite liquid eyeliners of mine. One is the good old, here we go, NYX liquid eyeliner, and this is the matte liquid liner. I don't like the vinyl one because I don't like that shiny shit on my face. Another good one is this Wet n Wild mega liner. It's not focusing, but whatever. Wet n Wild. It's probably my least favorite because it's a little on the transparent side, so it's not like fully saturated in color like I would like, but whatever, we can't be perfect. So for the purposes of this tutorial, so that I can get my wing to look right, I'm going to use my favorite one, which is the one from Mexico, but the idea is the same of how we do the eyeliner. Okay, so I'm real close to y'all. Ooh, this camera though. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through how I would do it. So we're going to take out our liquid liner. This might be a little harder than I thought. I might need a mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna start. A lot of people start on this outer edge and then come in. I don't do that. I'll show you what I do. I kind of draw a line here to kind of get my base going, to know that, like, yes, we are applying liner here. Then I go back and dab it into the product a little bit more. And then I will draw out the wing, like so. Then I go back in and connect it. Now, we are not done. As you can see, there's a whole freaking gap missing in the eye. But at least I have my kind of outline in there. And we just go back, kind of fill it in. Sorry, I'm trying to like... Okay? So, the reason why I can't like get myself to like work outward, and I just like, I don't know, I don't like that. Boom. So I mean, we've got like a little bit of a curve here. I'm trying to fix that. Okay, so the eyeliner is done. It probably could be better. But for now, I want you to see that that's like how I do my liquid liner. I would say it looks pretty good, actually. That wing, though. So sharp. Okay, guys, so this next part is going to be me attempting the wing liner with gel. Maybe I'll do a tutorial later on when I actually get the gel liner that I want, which is the Inglot eyeliner. I've been told is really good. I never like gel eyeliner because I remember I used to use like the L'Oreal pot one. As a matter of fact, I think this is the actual brush that it came with. I got it when I was like 15. And you know, like you would dip it and you would do it, but like this brush is probably not the best choice for a sharp liner. It's just kind of rounded and like not good for a sharp wing. So I'm gonna try my luck. I have like a couple brushes here. I don't have an actual eyeliner, like a wing eyeliner brush. I've got this. It's like for your waterline. And this is by, oh, actually, you know what? It says Dual Eyeliner. It's by Posh. I don't know. My eyeball. And then this one is by Eco Tools. It's an angled eyeshadow brush, but it looks pretty, I don't know. We're going to try our luck. Please don't judge me. But we going to do this. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using is by Femme Couture Ultra Smooth Gel Eyeliner. Looks like that. So bear with me if this starts to go left. Don't judge. So I'm just going to take my brush and dip it. I'm going to cover it. Like saturate both sides with the gel color. I'm so scared. So I've got my mirror over here. And so hopefully, I don't even know which way to look. Okay. So far? Alright, so before I tell you what I'm doing, I'm getting way too excited. I'm gonna try the coming back method. Alright, it's getting there. We're not gonna panic. You know what? This brush actually isn't that bad. So, I'm wondering if it's just better to... Oh, bitch. It actually doesn't look terrible. It's not my best liner, but... Okay, so let me show you. We can actually take this brush and clean it up. Alright guys, so there, that gel eyeliner is complete. Let's look at it. Gel, liquid, gel, liquid. So like I said, it's all up to you. I wouldn't recommend a pencil for a super flaky, sharp wing, like this. You just don't get the same kind of precision because of the way the pencil is. It's got like a roundish, no matter how sharp it is, it eventually starts to get round and you can't really get that like super clean cut. So if it's about preferences, mine is definitely the liquid eyeliner, just because of the brush. You can just get such precision out of it. I just can't describe it anything better. The gel is nice. I'm gonna try it out once I get the Inglot eyeliner and a good brush for it, because I feel like that definitely has a lot to do with it. So for now, thank you guys for watching my short little tutorial. I hope you love my hair, because it actually doesn't look that bad. I'm still like, you know, what up? I'm like debating on it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I know. Okay, like, listen, I know that you want to look at more videos because I'm funny. I know you guys like to watch my videos. Stop fronting. Just kidding. I love you guys. Okay? I want you to watch my videos. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to sign up for notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye.